Hey guys, it's Rachel J. Welcome back to the Dollhouse, and for today's Monday video, I have a very sexy but glammy spring/summer makeup tutorial. So yeah, let's get straight into this video and don't forget to subscribe. So first things first, we want to prime our lids and make sure our eyeshadow stays all day. So I'm going to be using the Shape Tape Concealer by Tarte. I'm just going to blend that in really well. And you should use a lighter shade if you're going to use the concealer as a base, just so it stays all day. For my first eyeshadow palette, I'm going to be going in with the SAHARAN palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to be using the color Jamilla, and I'm just going to be taking my small Eco Tools blending brush, and I'm going to keep that in my crease, and I'm trying to keep that a little lower in my crease because I'm going to blend that color out. And for my second crease color, I'm going to be going in with the color Sokoto, and that's more of a reddish orange. I'm going to keep that in my crease, but I'm going to keep that a little lower in my crease. And next we're going to cut our crease. I'm going to be using the NARS concealer in the color medium to dark. And even though this is fast forwarded, you guys, you have to take your time when you're cutting your crease because that is the most detailed and precise part of the eyeshadow look. So you're just going to take a really small detail brush like you can see me doing right here, and you're just going to carve your crease and make it a lot more detailed and precise on that curve. Okay guys, next I'm going to be going in with the Makeup Revolution Mint Chocolate Palette, and I'm going to be using the color Secret. I'm just going to be putting that all over the lid where I cut my crease at. Just to add a little bit of glitter and pizzazz to the crease look, I'm going to be using this NYX glitter liner in the color 4, and I'm just going to stop halfway on my lid. Now we're going to be using the color Awaken from the same palette, and we're going to be using a detailed defining brush, and we're just going to keep this in our crease, and we're going to keep it in our crease as much as possible, but you also want to blend it out a little bit. And I quickly apply my STARDELL lashes off camera in the number 38. And now it's time to prime my face. I'm going to be using the Too Faced Hangover Primer to set my foundation. I love this stuff. It literally makes your makeup last all freaking night. And I'm going to be going in with my BECCA foundation, and this is in the color Tobacco. I love this foundation, you guys. This is my first time, I think, using it on this channel. I've been using it for a few months now since I've been on break, but I'm obsessed with it. It literally is so dewy. It's like the perfect foundation for coverage also. You can get the BECCA products at any Ulta or Sephora. My link will be down below. Now I'm going to be going in with my NARS concealer in the medium to dark shade, and guys, you guys can see I'm not putting as much concealer as I usually do because this concealer goes a long way. When I tell you it goes a long way, you do not need a lot of this product at all. And just like I said, you don't need a lot of this product. As you can see, it takes nothing to blend. Like, this stuff blends in within seconds, and that's why I love it. That's why I'm obsessed with it. And after blending that out, I'm going to be using my Too Faced Hangover Setting Spray. And now it's time to bake my face, you guys. Know this COVERGIRL translucent powder is my holy grail. I love this stuff. This is the best and most affordable baking powder ever, in my opinion. And while we're baking, I'm just going to be contouring my face. I'm going to be using my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. I'm going to be using this medium to dark shade to contour. And to apply it, I'm just going to be using this Flat Elf contouring brush. And I'm just going to blend away the excess baking powder with my complexion brush, which is also known as the Morphe E35 brush. And because I want my contour to be a lot deeper than it is right now, I'm going to be going in with my Baja Bronze Collection palette in the deepest shade, which is deep to medium matte. And I'm going to just deepen that up a little bit and spray more of my setting spray. And you guys now know it's time for highlight. Y'all already know that this Sassy Grape and Taffy from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit is my holy grail. I love this stuff so freaking much. And then after spraying a little bit of setting spray, I'm going to be going in with my NARS blush in the color Orgasm. And now it's time for my favorite part, which is putting on the lipstick. And I'm just going to be using this matte lipstick by Too Faced. And this is a long wear, so it lasts literally all day, you guys. And this is in the shade Naughty by Nature. And to make my lips look a lot bigger and plumper than they usually are, I'm going to go in with my NARS concealer and put a few dots in the middle of my lips and just rub them together. And for my mascara, I'm going to be using the Essence Get Big Lashes in the 333 Black Mascara. And I love this mascara because it literally looks like you have on falsies. I promise you guys, and it's so affordable. It's like $4 at Ulta. And for our last step, we're just going to spray our face, and that is it, you guys, for this look. And that is it for this video, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy this look and try it out yourselves. If you do, don't forget to tag me in the pictures on social media. My sites will be down below and also the products. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.